Okay, I want you guys to picture something. It's mid-2001. You're building your brand new custom home with a beautiful 3-car garage, 8-foot tall doors. You've got this beautiful home with new technologies in it, high efficiency heating and cooling, and many others. And you wanted top of the line products. So the door company you hired installs CHI sandwich back garage doors and LiftMaster openers. It's 2001. You're ending the year of 2001. You're getting close to finishing up the build of the house. The garage door openers are going in, and you have a new product line that is being put in your home from the Chamberlain Group, the 2200 series, the Model 2280R from 11 of 2001. Almost said 10 of 1. 11 of 2001. It's a brand new product, fresh off the line. It's phasing out the old 1280R and many others that were phased out. And we have a very special opener from 11 of 01. It has new technologies like non-yellowing light lenses, quick connect terminals, enhanced radio technology, and many more. Old style quick connect terminals, by the way. You have 2 of these in your garage. They're whisper quiet. The neighbors are very envious because they have loud overhead door legacy chain drives. And here's what they sound like from 2001. Just the sound of a whisper. Yes, indeed. You are looking at the LiftMaster Model 2280R from 2001. Yes, this is the original design. Yes, there are some differences on this between this versus the newer ones that they went through as they were continually updating their products as they were making them. Yes, these are the original style remotes. There's one of the extra ones, 3 of 01. There's the original one, 11 of 01. I don't have the 78LM, but it would have that exact logo with the hyphen on it. Yes, old style lens covers. Yes, it is a 2280. Yes, it's from 2001. Yes, this is when they started making the 2200 and 2500 series machines, when they were rolling out this product line. Very special operator in the sense that it's a 2001 dated machine. It's got the old style quick connect terminals, the old style remotes, and yeah, super quiet. Also, 2001, they updated the belt design at the end with this line. The no longer wide teeth pattern, the close together teeth pattern with more teeth. Anyway, just thought I'd show you my 2280R from 11 of 01. Have a great rest of your day. Enjoy.